Did you know you can password protect your private notes on your iPhone? Whether you want to keep passwords, financial information, journal entries, or personal documents secure, the Notes app lets you lock individual notes with Face ID, Touch ID, or a password. In this video, I will show you how to lock a note, unlock it, and remove the lock if you no longer need it. Start by opening the Notes app on your iPhone. Now open an existing note that you want to protect, or create a new note by tapping the Compose button in the bottom right corner. Keep in mind that only individual notes can be locked, not entire folders. With a note open, tap the More button in the top right corner. From the menu, tap on the Lock button. If this is the first time locking a note, you will be asked to create Notes password or use your Apple account depending on your iOS version. Follow the prompts to finish the setup. If Face ID or Touch ID is available, you can enable it for quicker access. Once the lock has been added, tap the lock icon at the top of the screen to immediately secure the note. Your note is now protected. To open a locked note, tap the locked note, select View Note or tap the lock icon. Authenticate using Face ID or Touch ID or using your iPhone's passcode. Once verified, the note will unlock so you can read or edit it. If you no longer want the note to be protected, unlock the note first, tap the More button, choose Remove Lock. The note will immediately become accessible without authentication. If you want to use a custom password instead of using iPhone's passcode to unlock notes, you can go to Settings, tap on Apps, here tap on Notes. On the next page, tap on Password. Here tap on Use Custom Password, Authenticate, and then choose a new password of your choice. That's how you can lock and unlock notes on your iPhone to keep your personal information secure. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest Apple tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.